So I got this double-sided lighted wall mount mirror, which is just what I need. As you can see, I have an old one that's wall mounted, but it doesn't light up. It is double-sided, but definitely needed an upgrade. So this is it. So let's open it up and I'll show you what's in the box. So this is my first time opening it, so we're gonna just go through this together. So it's nicely packed in a protective cushion. Okay, and then I see the plug for it, and then the mirror. Okay, which is in here, and then I see some instructions, which is good. A little cloth to clean the mirror, and then some screws to mount it onto the wall. So first I'm going to take it right out of the bag, and there's a button right on the screen here. So if I touch that, you can see it goes on already. So as you can see, it's not plugged into anything, it's not mounted, but the light is already working, which is great. It's already charged. I'll be right back, and I'm going to mount it right to the wall, and I'm going to time it and let you know how long it took me to do that. Okay. Okay, so it took me like 5 minutes to install this, and it was pretty easy, just following the directions. So let's look at the wall mounts right here. So that was pretty easy to install here, and then these little screws, so it's nicely attached to the wall. And then you see this moves around perfectly, easily, there, easily. Okay, so now we're looking at the mirror, and you can see the button here turns the light on. So that's 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels. So 3 different types of lights. And then if you flip it, then we get the magnified side. So let's see how close we can see. So like for putting on makeup and stuff, you can get pretty close and see all the details to put on your makeup. It's pretty helpful. Okay, so then it also comes with this cloth, which is perfect for keeping this clean and clear, and it's easy to use to just wipe that mirror down on either side. It also comes with this charger, so I'm going to show you how that works. So it has the USB side, and then this side plugs right into the mirror. So I'll show you how that works. Okay, so on one of the sides it has the place where it plugs in. So I'm going to plug it in there first and then put it into the wall. Okay, so I'm going to put it right in there. Okay, so that's plugged in there, and next I'm going to plug this one into the wall, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so watch what happens when I plug it in. See how it instantly got brighter? So now it's charging. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, overall pretty easy to use, and I'm loving it. And then too, don't forget that it also revolves this way. So not only does it go up and down this way, it goes this way too. So you can move the plug to be closer to the wall this way versus the other way.